In this video, I'll guide you through how to restore previous versions of files in Google Drive. This is really useful if you've accidentally overwritten something important, deleted part of a document, or just want to go back to an earlier draft without losing your current work. Let's start by opening the file in Google Drive that you want to restore. First, go to your Google Drive in your browser and find the file you're interested in. This might be a Google Doc, sheet, slide, or another supported file type. Click on the file to open it in a new tab. Make sure the file fully loads before moving on so that all the menu options are available at the top of the screen. Once your file is open, you're going to access its version history. At the top of the window, look toward the menu bar, click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, move your cursor down to File Information, then slide over and click on Version History. From there, choose See Version History. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen that shows the different versions saved over time. Now you can browse the available versions. In the panel on the right, you'll see a list of versions, each with a date and time, and often the name of the person who made the changes. Sometimes versions may be grouped under headings like Today, Yesterday, or specific dates, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Click on a version in the list to preview it. When you select one, the main document area will update to show how the file looked at that moment in time. Take a moment to scroll through the document and check whether this is the version you want to bring back. You can move between different versions by clicking up and down the list until you find the right one. When you've identified the version you want to restore, click on that version in the panel so it's clearly selected. At the top of the document, you'll see an option that says Restore this version. Before you click it, remember that restoring a version does not permanently erase all other versions. Google Drive will actually save your current version as part of the history and then make the selected version the new current one. This means you can safely test a previous version without worrying that you're permanently losing your latest changes. Once you're ready, click Restore this version. Google Drive may ask you to confirm that you really want to do this. Confirm, and the document will switch back to the version you selected. You'll now be working in that restored version, and any edits you make from this point on will be saved as new changes on top of it. If you ever want to switch again, you can repeat the same steps to open the version history and choose another point in time. And that's all you need to do. By opening your file, going into File Information and Version History, browsing through the saved versions, and clicking Restore this version on the one you want, you can quickly recover older drafts and protect your work in Google Drive.